This is a hanging paper doll or cutout or puppet, whatever you call it, but it's looking very cute. So before I begin, this is the image of it. You all can take a screenshot, and then you will have to cut it in different parts. So basically, I will show you. The one which I've put on top is just a semicircle cut at the dress portion. So you'll need two of the prints of the same image in the same way. And right now I am just doing the placing of each cutout to show you how it will actually stay together. So see, the top portion is actually from this dress area, and I have lifted her leg up, so it looks very cute. So first we'll begin with sticking the top area above the head. Just apply glue to this thing and stick the head portion on it. It looks like someone is lifting the baby with the clothes, or just a funny kind of look to the baby. And then using the perforator, I'm going to start making holes. If you have a single hole perforator or punch that you call it, you can use that as well. And just at the center on the top side, you will make the holes in this way. Now if you do not have one, you can make that using a pencil also, but just see that it will not tear. Now is the time to place our cutouts. So we will place our cutouts to just check where they fall into position, and accordingly we'll place a marking. So this is the center of this cutout, and then with a quilling paper I will make a circular thing like this, to hang. So I will stick this at the back of the head portion. See, like this. So here I have used Uhu glue to do the sticking. That's it. And there goes the hands. They will be dangling on that thing. And once I have set them all up, I'll just show you how it looks. Cute, right? Now we'll just put a stopper as in just a square cut paper on top with the help of normal glue. It's more than enough. Let it dry nicely. Now if you have a white color quilling paper, you can make use of it. So this is how it looks, and it's very attractive, like something which is very eye-catching in the house if you keep it at hanging places like this. So friends, let me know, how did you all enjoy this hanging puppet making? And if you want to see more of such interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.